and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Hannah and I'm Mom with Muscle. And in today's video, you guys, we are doing a RH dupe video for you guys. So if this is something that interests you and you want to keep watching, just keep on watching. But if you haven't already, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell button for every time I upload a video. And if you aren't already following me on Instagram, be sure to do so at Mom with Muscle. But without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so if you guys are new to my channel, first off, welcome. I know I repeat myself a lot, but a lot of people just click on my videos without really knowing who I am and the backstory. I do work for a restoration hardware outlet here in San Diego, so a lot of the items that I own are from there. So I thought it'd be really fun to kind of do a pan over of all the items that I currently own that are from RH, and then show you guys and link things of dupes that I think are very, very close, if not very similar to the items that I own. So I have spent hours, you guys, researching dupes for you guys that are comparable to restoration hardware pieces that I own. And I honestly feel like I did a very good job. Now, keep in mind that when I'm looking for dupes, I'm looking for good quality pieces. I could link plenty of different items for you guys that are from Amazon that are $140 that aren't gonna last you. So keep in mind, they range from like $700 to $1,500. So again, I'm looking for good quality pieces that are comparable to the items that I own. So I'm going to do some voiceovers of my furniture. I'm going to be showing you guys pictures of the dupes, and then I'm also going to be linking everything down below with what I own from RH and the dupe with the link for you guys to check out. I will have all the prices kind of attached to each link, so if it's even something in your ballpark price range, you guys can either click on it or skip past it. So again, be sure to check out the description box, as I've spent a very long time finding everything for you guys. So starting with the first item, which is the sideboard behind me. This is the machine toe 4-drawer sideboard. Now this is in a dark brown and chrome feature. This retails for $3,550 at RH. Now, as a side note, everything I own is not from the regular gallery. To be honest, I probably would never even purchase from the gallery. Everything I have purchased is from the outlet. I highly recommend shopping the outlet. If there is something that is like one of a kind, will never filter through the outlet, which we see quite often, then that's when you would go, okay, I'm gonna bite the bullet and buy via the internet. But definitely recommend doing everything from the outlet. Now the dupe that I found, you guys, is $16.99 and it is from Our House. Now the next item is honestly probably my most favorite piece that I own, and that is the reclaimed English beam console table. Now this came into my work and I wasn't even on the hunt for one, but I had to have it, you guys. And ever since I've posted pictures of this console, you guys would be shocked how many people come into my work now wanting this. It's definitely a beautiful piece, one of a kind, very unique. This is priced at $48.50 online. Now I found, no joke, the identical copy of this console from Our House again, and theirs is priced at $12.99. So if you guys don't get on that, I will be very disappointed. It is absolutely beautiful. Moving on to the next item that I own. This was actually the very first piece that I purchased from Restoration Hardware, and I'm going to try not to say Restoration Hardware 1,000 times because I've had people come at me for that. It's just very hard not to. So this is a Restoration Hardware dupe video, so I apologize in advance for repeating myself. But this was the very first item that I ever purchased. It was my love. It was the start of my love for this particular brand. Now this is the marble plinth coffee table in a 67-inch rectangle. Now this retails for $4,750. Now I have found a beautiful dupe. I actually found two dupes for you guys. One for $16.99 and the second one for $6.99. So the second option, the second dupe for you guys, is from CB2. It is definitely that plinth, same look and feel, but it is not marble. It is a concrete / cement look. It comes in gray and it comes in ivory. Still very stunning. You still get the look for less. So that is the next item on my list here. Okay, the next item that I own is the Camino vintage candelabra. This is the lighting fixture that is in my living room. Absolutely love this. It definitely gives it that like farm style look without being like too honky tonk, if you know what I mean. Now this retails for $2,005. Not bad, reasonable. My size is a 38 inch. And I found a dupe for you guys for $724. I definitely think a lot of companies make this style. So if you guys don't like my dupe, I know you guys can find this on Amazon, Wayfair, House. There's definitely a lot of options for this particular chandelier, so definitely be on the hunt. So the next item is a 17th century French dining table with a marble top. The base is a dark oak. And this was a very hard find for me as far as finding a comparable dupe for you guys. This table retails for $4,695. It is a 60-inch round. So the dupe that I found for you guys on this particular dining table is from Pottery Barn, so it's going to be really good quality, hence why it's $2,000. Again, also when you are looking for marble, like real authentic marble, not like a faux marble, fake marble, it's going to be more expensive. Like however you want to slice it and dice it, like Calcutta, Carrara, that is a very, very luxurious stone, hence the price of it. So I definitely think this is a really good comparable find for you guys. So that is the next item. All right, the next item that I own is the Russian oak Parsons table. This is a 72-inch dining table in black oak. I am in the process of redoing my dining room area, as you guys know, so kind of bear with me as you guys see the footage. I'm just selling things off, starting all over, but this has been a great table. We were just looking for something a little bit larger. So this dining room table retails for $3,295, and I found, no joke, the identical dupe to this table for $12.99. Now, this is a very standard kind of table. Parsons table is something that you guys can find essentially anywhere, just like the candelabra chandelier. A lot of different companies make Parsons tables. Pottery Barn I know has some, I know Crate & Barrel has some, I know Wayfair has a ton, so be sure to check out those if you are on the hunt for just a standard Parsons table. So that is the next item. All right, so the next item as we are in the dining room are going to be my Elliott chairs. These are on casters. These are just a standard dining room chair. There's nothing crazy fancy about them, but I absolutely love these. I think the white's really pretty against the black, and I think it would go with any home. Now, these retail for $790 a chair, which if you're needing 6 or 8, that can get pretty dang expensive. So I found a dupe for $199 on potterybarn.com. So you're going to be getting good quality. And again, I'm sure you guys can find some alternatives on Wayfair or Amazon.com, but it's just a standard chair. Again, I happen to buy them because I work for the company. So that's why I have so much RH stuff. All right, moving into the next item, the infamous Louis Philippe gilt leaner mirror. Now this was a recent purchase for me. It did come through my work and I had been wanting to get one for my beauty room. This is the 48 by 72. I think there's two sizes. There's the 48 by 72 and then there's like the massive one, like gigantic. So the one that I own retails for $1,395. And I actually found a pretty cool dupe. I found two dupes actually for you guys. I found one, I believe it was Our House or Anthropologie for $1,000, $999. And then I found a second dupe, which has kind of the thicker Louis gilt kind of classic look for $645. So be sure to check that out if you guys are wanting that look for less. I know a lot of people that I follow on Instagram will post like stuff from Home Goods. I do it as well, but I know there's been some really good dupes come through Home Goods as well. So be sure to keep your eyes peeled for that. All right, you guys, moving into my bedroom. The biggest piece of my bedroom is my bed, and that is the Modena non-shelter tufted bed. Now this is a 48-inch headboard, and I have it in the white perennial fabric. My bed retails for $4,225, but I found an awesome dupe on Pottery Barn for $699. And I know I have linked a dupe very similar to that as well from Wayfair around that same price. I think it's about $700 to $800 for the frame. It is a custom order because you do have to pick your material, your fabric. So I think there is like a 6 to 8 leeway on that, which is kind of unfortunate. But again, these are all custom ordered to you, but that is the next item that I own. Moving into my mirror, this is a 60-inch lucent mirror. You guys will know this was a hunt for me. I had been on the hunt for this mirror. Restoration Hardware had one up in Long Beach. I had to drive all the way up to Long Beach the second I purchased that one. Then it came through Home Goods And yeah, I could have definitely saved myself some money had I been a little bit more patient, but you know what? When I put my mind to something, I have to have it. I'm like relentless in a sense. So drove up to Long Beach, bought this mirror. I ended up spray painting it black. I did do a DIY on that. So this mirror retails for $1,545. I have a dupe for it for $1,000 on Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel, one of those two. Either Pottery Barn or Crate and Barrel has a 60-inch, very slim framed mirror. Or keep your eye out for Home Goods if that 60-inch continues to circulate your stores. So that is the next dupe. All right, my dresser. So this is, I definitely did a matchy for my bedroom. I did the 9-drawer herringbone dresser, and then I did the matching 40-inch herringbone nightstands. Starting with the dresser, that dresser retails for $4,395. I found a dupe for $1,099, almost identical, the gray color, the herringbone pattern. I think the dresser is sold out, but you can get on a waiting list for them to email you when it comes back in stock. But I did have that linked down below for you guys. And then the nightstands are $1,595. And the dupe that I found for that was $359. Again, also from homedepot.com. Same gray, same herringbone, and they're in stock, and it was a seriously spitting image of mine. So those are for you guys. The next one is the Thaddeus marble console table. I have it in a 60-inch with white Carrara marble on top and brass base. Now, I absolutely love this console table. This retails for $2,775, and I found a comparable dupe for $599. Again, all these dupes for you guys are going to be good quality dupes. I didn't want to put crap on here where it's going to be falling apart in 3 minutes. So the next item that I constantly get hit up about, like if anything, the two items that I get most questions are my reclaimed beam console behind my sofa and my olive trees. Absolutely love my olive trees. Like as I've said before, best investment ever if you guys are looking for a really good faux olive tree, something that looks extremely realistic. This is it for you. Now, these trees retail for $17.95. It is definitely an investment. However, two things. You guys, they are on sale currently for $1,436, which means they're going to be discontinuing this item. Typically, the items that are on sale on RH.com means they are phasing them out, which means they're going to be discontinuing them. So this is a very, very sad day because I would think this would be a hot seller. I know it is an investment, like I said, but they are trickling them out. So if you are a bit on the hunt for one, this tree in particular, now would be the time to buy it because who knows how long they're going to have them for. But I did find a dupe, and I have linked this dupe plenty of times for you guys that aren't willing to spend that much money, which totally I 100% get. And it is from Crate and Barrel. It is priced at $3.99. A very, very good olive tree. I've honestly seen this in person. You don't get the height that the RH one gives you, but you definitely get the fullness of it, and it's a really good tree. So if you guys are on the hunt for that, be sure to check that one out. All right, you guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I took a lot of time researching different products for you guys, making sure that they were comparable to RH because, as you guys know, RH does make some really good quality pieces, and I didn't want to link a bunch of just crap for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. I loved researching and hunting and finding comparable stuff for you guys. So that is it. I love you guys. Make sure again to like, comment, and make sure to hit that bell button for every time I upload a video. It helps my channel a ton. And if you guys are new here, welcome. So happy that you guys are here, and I love you guys. We'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.